Okay, so as I was saying, uh, 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 okay, this is it. Let me take this a little bit further. Okay, so what I was saying is that here I had these first two equations, okay, and 2x equals 3y, x equals y plus 5. Those were the first two sentences. And I isolated y and I obtained this. Okay, so the first one, y equals 2/3 of x. If I draw it, is something like this. Y equals x minus 5 would be something like this. Okay, maybe not too steep, but that's the idea. Okay, they would look something like this. This is y equals 2/3 of x, and this is y equals x minus 5. But the important thing here is that they are crossing each other at one point. Okay, if you solve the system, you will see this point is actually 1510. Okay, it means that this is true when my age is 15 and my sister's age is 10. Okay, but the important thing here is that there's only one solution. Okay, so this is a system with only one solution. Okay, second system. In this second system, x minus 3 equals y, x equals y plus 3. Same thing, I'm going to isolate y. Here it's already isolated, x minus 3, and here this is, if I isolate it, I get x minus 3. Okay, what happens here? It's actually the same equation, okay? Both are the same equation. So this means that if I draw this, both equations will be this line, okay? As I said, this is an approximation, okay? Good, infinite. Infinitely many equations, many solutions, okay? Infinitely many solutions, okay? Because they are the same line, okay? And if I go to this third system, this is, if I isolate y, y equals x plus 3, y equals x plus 5, okay? If I draw this, I get x plus 3 would look like this, x plus 5 would look like this, okay? So they are two parallel lines. Here, there is no solution, okay? If there are two parallel lines, there is no solution, okay? And here, if you think of the riddle, okay, the acertijo, that's here. With these two sentences, I get one solution, okay? It's possible, that can happen. These two things can be true at the same time. Here, these two things are true at the same time, yes, but regardless of my age. Like, for each possible value for my age, there's a possible value for my sister's age that meets this requirement of this system. But here, these two things are not possible. I cannot be 3 years younger than my sister at the same time that I'm 5 years younger than her. Okay, that's not possible. That's why this system has no solution. Okay, so the other way to express this, or in algebra, the way we refer to this is that when a system has only one solution, it means that it's consistent and independent. Consistent and independent. When it has infinitely many solutions, it is consistent, but it's dependent, okay? Because depending on the value of x, there is a corresponding value of y, which is true, but it depends on the value of x. I need to know x first or y. I need to know one of the variables, and then I know the other, okay? Here, there's only one possibility, one value for each one. And here, this is inconsistent. It's not possible, okay? So these are the three types of systems of linear equations that you can find. Okay, I'm going to stop recording.